From the iconic blue berets parachuting into combat zones to armored vehicles rolling off cargo planes, the VDV represents Russia's elite rapid deployment force. These aren't just paratroopers. They're a complete mechanized army that can drop from the sky. Let's break down every weapon that makes them one of the most feared airborne forces on the planet. Assault rifles and carbines, AK-74M. The standard issue rifle that defines VDV firepower. Chambered in 5.45 by 39 millimeters, this modernized Kalashnikov is lighter than the AK-47 while maintaining legendary reliability in extreme conditions. AK-12, the newest generation Kalashnikov, slowly replacing the AK-74M, improved ergonomics, accessory rails, and better accuracy while keeping the rugged simplicity Russian troops trust. AKS-74U, the ultra-compact Krinkov, that's perfect for paratroopers. Short barrel makes it ideal for vehicle crews and airborne operations, where space is limited, but firepower is essential. A K-74, the original 5.45mm Kalashnikov that revolutionized Soviet infantry. Fixed stock versions still see service alongside modernized variants in VDV units. AKS-74, folding stock variant designed specifically for airborne forces. The side folding stock reduces length for parachute jumps while maintaining full combat capability after landing. A K-103, a 7.62 by 39mm variant for situations requiring more stopping power. Some VDV units prefer this harder-hitting caliber for specific operational requirements. And 94 Abakan, an experimental rifle with unique 2-round burst mechanism. Limited VDV use due to complexity, but devastating accuracy when properly employed by trained operators. AEK-971, another experimental rifle competing with the AK-12. Balanced recoil system provides exceptional accuracy, though never widely adopted across VDV formations. Sniper and Marksman Rifles, SVD Dragunov, the legendary Soviet sniper rifle that defined a generation. Chambered in 7.62 by 54mm R, every VDV platoon has designated marksmen carrying this semi-automatic precision weapon. SVDM, modernized Dragunov with improved ergonomics and optics mounting. Better accuracy and updated furniture while maintaining the reliable gas-operated system. SV-98, bolt-action precision rifle for VDV sniper teams. When extreme accuracy matters more than follow-up shot speed, this rifle delivers sub-MOA performance. VSS Ventores, integrally suppressed sniper rifle firing, subsonic 9 by 39mm rounds. Perfect for silent eliminations during covert insertions where noise discipline is critical. AS-VAL, similar to the VSS but designed as an assault rifle. Suppressed automatic fire makes it devastating for close-range ambushes without revealing positions. Orsis T-5000, modern Russian precision rifle competing with Western designs. Excellent accuracy and build quality, slowly entering VDV sniper inventory. Lobayev Arms Rifles, high-end precision rifles from Russian manufacturer. Some VDV special purpose units use these for extreme range engagements beyond standard Dragunov capability. SVU, bullpup conversion of the Dragunov for compact operations, reduces overall length while maintaining barrel length and accuracy for specialized airborne roles. Machine guns and support weapons. PKM, the legendary Soviet general-purpose machine gun, belt-fed 7.62 by 54mm R firepower that's been the backbone of Russian infantry fire support for over 60 years. PKP Pecheneg, modernized PKM with improved barrel and better accuracy. Air-cooled design eliminates barrel changes while maintaining sustained fire capability for VDV support teams. RPK-74, squad automatic weapon version of the AK-74. Magazine-fed light support that gives every VDV squad organic firepower without requiring belt-fed ammunition logistics. RPK-16, latest generation squad automatic weapon. Improved accuracy and reliability while maintaining compatibility with standard AK magazines for simplified logistics. Pecheneg SP, special purpose version with additional accessories. Rail systems and improved mounting options for vehicle installation and tripod use. NSV, heavy 12.7mm machine gun mounted on VDV vehicles. Devastating anti-materiel and anti-aircraft capability for BMD fighting vehicles and support positions. Cord, modern 12.7mm machine gun, replacing the NSV. Improved reliability and accuracy while maintaining the bone-crushing power of heavy machine gun fire. PKT, tank variant of the PKM, coaxially mounted in VDV armored vehicles. Provides close-in defense for BMD infantry fighting vehicles and other mechanized platforms. Pistols and sidearms, Makarov PM, the classic Soviet service pistol that armed generations. Chambered in 9x18mm Makarov. Simple and reliable, though gradually being replaced by modern designs. MP443, Grach, modern Russian service pistol replacing the Makarov. Chambered in 9x19mm NATO for improved terminal ballistics and increased magazine capacity. GSH-18, high-capacity 9x19mm pistol with armor-piercing capability, can penetrate body armor at close range, making it valuable for special operations. SR-1 Vector, specialized pistol firing 9x21mm armor-piercing rounds, designed specifically to defeat modern body armor that standard pistol calibers cannot penetrate. PL-14, Lebedev, newest Russian military pistol currently in trials. Modern ergonomics and reliability improvements over earlier Soviet-era designs. PSM, ultra-compact pistol for concealed carry. Small enough to hide completely but maintain sufficient capability for self-defense and covert operations. MP446, Viking, semi-automatic pistol in 9x19mm, designed for both military and civilian markets, seeing limited VDV service in specific roles. TT-33 Tokarev, old Soviet pistol still occasionally seen. Powerful 7.62 by 25mm cartridge, and simple design means some remain in reserve inventory. Submachine guns and PDWS, PP-19, Vityaz, modern 9x19mm submachine gun based on AK platform. Familiar controls for AK-trained troops while providing compact firepower for vehicle crews. PP-2000, compact personal defense weapon firing 9x19mm, designed for vehicle crews and support personnel who need more capability than pistols provide. Bison unique submachine gun with helical magazine holding 64 rounds. High capacity and compact package, perfect for extended engagements without reloading. Kedir/Klin, compact submachine guns for specialized roles. Small enough for concealment, but providing automatic fire capability when situations escalate. AKS-74U, also serving as PDW for vehicle crews. Technically a carbine but fills the personal defense weapon role for VDV mechanized units. PP-91 Kedir, ultra-compact machine pistol for covert operations. Can be concealed easily while providing burst fire capability at close ranges. Saiga 9, semi-automatic carbine based on AK platform. Civilian design sometimes used for training and non-combat roles within VDV structure. Grenade launchers and anti-tank weapons GP-25 Kostur, underbarrel 40mm grenade launcher for AK rifles. Gives individual VDV soldiers explosive capability without requiring dedicated grenadier weapons. GP-30 Abovka, updated version of the GP-25 with improved sighting. Same 40mm ammunition, but better accuracy and ease of use for airborne troops. GP-34, latest generation underbarrel launcher, designed specifically for AK-12 platform with modern mounting and improved ergonomics. AGS-17, Plamya, automatic 30mm grenade launcher mounted on vehicles. Can saturate areas with explosive rounds, devastating against infantry and light vehicles. A GS-30 Atlant, lighter, more portable automatic grenade launcher, can be crew-served or vehicle-mounted for flexible fire support options. RPG-7, the legendary Soviet rocket launcher that changed warfare. Simple, reliable, and capable of destroying modern tanks when used properly with updated ammunition. RPG-26, disposable single-shot rocket launcher. Light enough for every soldier to carry, providing instant anti-tank capability against unexpected armored threats. RPG-27, more powerful disposable launcher with tandem warhead. defeats reactive armor that stopped earlier RPG designs, keeping infantry relevant against modern tanks. RPG-29, heavy reusable launcher with devastating penetration. Two-stage warhead can defeat even the most advanced armor systems on modern main battle tanks. RPG-30, latest generation with decoy rocket. Defeats active protection systems before main warhead impacts, ensuring kill against the most protected vehicles. RPG-32, modern multi-caliber launcher system, can fire different ammunition types depending on target, from anti-personnel to anti-tank rounds. ARSHG-1, thermobaric rocket launcher for urban combat, creates devastating pressure waves that clear buildings and bunkers more effectively than standard explosives. RSHG-2, updated thermobaric launcher with improved safety. Same devastating effect but better handling characteristics for VDV assault teams. RPO-A Schmel, man-portable thermobaric rocket system. Bumblebee nickname refers to the buzzing sound before it creates absolute devastation in confined spaces. MROA, flamethrower rocket system for fortification clearing. Combines incendiary and explosive effects to neutralize hardened positions in bunker complexes. Specialized airborne weapons, 2B14 pod nose, 82mm automatic mortar for fire support, can be airdropped with VDV units, providing organic indirect fire capability immediately after landing. 2B9 Vasilek, 82mm automatic mortar with higher rate of fire. Tray-fed system allows sustained bombardment of enemy positions during defensive operations. A GS-17 on BMD, vehicle-mounted automatic grenade launcher. BMD infantry fighting vehicles carry these for devastating suppressive fire during assault operations. 9M133 Cornet, anti-tank guided missile system for VDV units. Can destroy any tank in the world from safe distances, crucial for lightly armored airborne forces. 9K38 Igla, man-portable air defense system. Protects VDV landing zones from enemy aircraft and helicopters during vulnerable insertion phase. 9K33 Verba, latest generation man-pads replacing Igla. Improved resistance to countermeasures and better range for protecting airborne operations. SPG-9 Coupier, recoilless rifle for direct fire support. Can be parachuted with troops and provides immediate anti-tank and bunker-busting capability. 2S-25 Sprut SD, self-propelled anti-tank gun mountable on BMD chassis. Fires 125mm tank ammunition while remaining light enough for airdropping with VDV. BTR-MDM shell. Airborne armored personnel carrier with 30mm autocannon. Provides protected transport and fire support for VDV infantry after landing. BMD-4M, latest generation airborne fighting vehicle. Armed with 100mm gun and 30mm autocannon, giving VDV units serious firepower immediately upon landing. Support and crew-served weapons, NSV/cordon vehicles. Heavy machine guns providing anti-materiel capability. Mounted on VDV vehicles for engaging lightly armored targets and aircraft. 2A-72 autocannon, 30mm automatic cannon on BMD vehicles. Dual feed system allows quick switching between armor-piercing and high-explosive ammunition. 2A-70 gun, 100mm rifled gun-firing missiles and conventional rounds. Unique to Russian airborne vehicles, provides tank-killing capability to light armor. ATGM launchers, various anti-tank guided missile systems, mounted on BMD vehicles and carried by infantry teams for long-range precision strikes. SA-18 Grouse, shoulder-fired air defense missile, provides immediate air defense for VDV units operating in hostile airspace after insertion. Cord-M, modernized heavy machine gun with improved mountings. Vehicle variant provides sustained heavy fire support for mechanized VDV operations. Grenades and explosives, RGD-5, standard fragmentation grenade. Simple, reliable, and effective for clearing rooms and defensive positions during VDV assault operations. F1, defensive fragmentation grenade with larger kill radius. Used when operators have solid cover, as fragments can travel over 200 meters. RGO/RGN, offensive and defensive grenades with impact fuses. explode on contact rather than time delay, preventing enemies from throwing them back. Zarya stun grenades, flashbang devices for room clearing, non-lethal but create disorienting effects allowing VDV troops to enter contested spaces. RDG-2 smoke grenades, various colors for signaling and concealment, critical for marking landing zones and covering movements during operations. TNT blocks, standard demolition explosive for breaching, simple and reliable for destroying obstacles and preparing defensive positions. C4 equivalent, plastic explosives for precision demolition, more stable and versatile than TNT for complex breaching operations. Claymore-type mines, directional fragmentation mines, set defensive perimeters around landing zones while VDV forces consolidate positions. Anti-tank mines, various models for area denial, prevent enemy armor from counterattacking before VDV units can properly dig in. Edged weapons and tools, VDV combat. Knife, standard issue fighting and utility knife. Multi-purpose tools serving as weapon, wire cutter, and survival implement. 6x5 bayonet, standard AK bayonet that doubles as knife. Sawback design allows cutting through obstacles and serving combat roles. NR2, scout knife for reconnaissance teams. Integrated saw, wire cutter, and bottle opener make it versatile survival tool. Spetsnaz knife, various specialized fighting knives. Balanced throwing capability while maintaining effectiveness as close combat weapon. Entrenching tool, standard issue shovel sharpened to edge. Improvised close combat weapon with devastating chopping capability in desperate situations. Wire cutters, essential for breaching obstacles. Allows rapid movement through enemy defensive positions without explosives. Bolt cutters, heavy-duty cutting tools for chains and locks. Critical for urban operations when doors and gates block assault routes. From compact submachine guns to airdroppable armored vehicles, this is the complete arsenal that makes for a VDV Russia's premier rapid reaction force. Over 90 weapons and vehicle systems designed specifically for airborne assault operations. Want to compare with Western airborne forces? Check my SAS weapons breakdown on screen. See how British elite units stack up against Russian paratroopers. The differences are fascinating. Hit subscribe and tell me which VDV weapon surprised you most. See you next time.